Okay. So now you know what will happen. What will happen? We know that theta can lie between only 0 to 1 by 3. Okay. So MLE will be theta will be equal to x bar when theta is 1 by 3. If theta is if x bar is greater than x bar is lying between x bar is lying between 0 to 1 by 3. Suppose x bar is coming greater than 1 by 3, then what will be MLE? Anybody in class?
1 by 3.
Okay, 1 by 3. So can I tell that theta equal to minimum of x bar comma 1 by 3? Is it right or wrong? How many of you understood? How many of you are not understanding this? Yeah, Vishal. Go ahead. Okay, not understood? Okay. So see, what I have told, you have to understand it. See, before this, when I told that xi is following Bernoulli, 1 comma theta, theta can lie between 0 to 1. Now I'm restricting theta can lie between 0 to 1 by 3. And in this case, what we got theta equal to x bar. This is the MLE. So, you know, between 0 to 1 by 3, you know, theta can take value between 0 to 1 by 3. So, you know, now, you know, if I already know that theta can only take value from 0 to 1 by 3, then I can say that theta equal to x bar when x bar is lying between 0 to 1 by 3. Theta equal to x bar when x bar is lying between 0 to 1 by 3, and if x bar is greater than 1 by 3, then you know I cannot take like you know theta is I know that parameter is restricted from 0 to 1 by 3, then it will be 1 by 3 only. Okay. Vishank, what you do, what you are not understanding? Please, you know, please tell me so I can explain you. Vishank, yeah, you can, you know, you can tell me. No worries. See, I am explaining with the help of graph now. See why this is happening. You are understanding this, Vishank? Sir, if it is not range, then it will. Okay, see. So Vishank, see, you know, we know that when it will, yeah, equal to x bar. And you know, when x bar is greater than 1 by 3, then you know, see how to check it. How to check it, okay? So L is what? It is theta raised to summation xi 1 minus theta raised to n minus summation xi. Okay. Now I have told that 0 as a theta as a 1 by 3. Now when x bar is lying between this thing, then you know we can easily get that by differentiating log L and putting it equal to 0. If x bar is greater than 1 by 3, suppose x bar is coming as 4 by 3. Okay, so we cannot take theta equal to 4 by 3 because theta parameter range of theta is restricted. So you know the maximum value what I can take is 1 by 3. So we will take 1 by 3 only. So we are writing this as theta equal to x bar when x bar is writing 1 by 3 equal to 1 by 3 when x bar is greater than 1 by 3. Okay, if you are not understanding, don't worry, we are going to solve multiple questions of this type, so you will understand. Okay. Then next question I'm taking is this is a question fx is equal to theta x raised to theta minus 1 0 x 1 0 theta infinity. Okay, we have to find MLE of theta. See, in this problem, see, whenever x is depending on theta in range, okay, in that problem, that will be a different type of problem. You know, in that you cannot differentiate log L and put it equal to 0 and you will get the value of theta. Okay, in that case, you know, you have to do things differently. Here it is a normal case. So everybody know how to solve it? Anybody who don't know how to solve this question? Anybody? Okay, so I will solve it for you. I think it is an easy question, but still, you know, I will solve it. So,
Hello,
yeah, go ahead.
sir. Theta की power n product
Theta,
x की
yeah, theta
theta की power
x
n
raised to theta minus 1. Okay,
जी
L will be equal to theta raised to n pi xi raised to theta minus 1. Okay,
जी sir.
then what will be log L?
And
Is it okay? Is it right?
जी sir एक मिनट.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
So,
log n log theta
yeah,
sir plus summation log xi की power theta minus 1.
is it right? So I have written right or wrong? Okay, it is right. Okay, and then what will happen? Del log L upon del theta will be equal to what? Anybody in the class? Anybody?
So n by theta plus summation log xi.
Is it right? Del log L by del theta will be this thing. Is it right or wrong? So del log L upon del theta will be equal to 0. So what will be MLE of theta? Anybody in class? N by theta equal to 0. So n by theta will be equal to minus summation log xi. So theta will be what?
Sir एक
So
मिनट.
minus log xi by n.
Minus summation where?
Minus summation log xi by n.
Is it right? Okay. So you all should, you know, like this is simple calculation, you know.
इसकी reciprocal. So इसकी reciprocal.
Okay,
इसकी
okay.
reciprocal होगी.
Yeah, yes. You know, so these are like, you know, this mistake, you know, you should not be doing, you know, frequently, because if you are doing it here, you will do it in examination. So, you know, take it seriously. Okay, please. See, you know, it's a like appeal to all of you. Don't take silly mistakes, you know, like lightly. You know, whenever you are solving a problem, give it full dedication, because, you know, this will, when you will practice this, you are going to do same in the examination. Now there is one more question. Fx theta equal to exponential minus x minus theta Okay, then what will be MLE for this? So first tell me that key in this case, can we do like that key we can take log and all and then take log L and then differentiate and we will get the MLE for theta? You know, this is a different question, because you know why different question? Because here x is depending on theta. Okay, the range of x is depending on theta. So in this case, you know, the problem, like, you know, the solution will change, like the way of solving problem will change. So can anybody tell me how to solve this one?
So we can use order statistics for this.
Yeah, so how to use it? Can you please, you know, help me in that?
So like,
See, first we have to find log. Okay, is it right?
yes, sir.
So, you know, this whole quantity should be maximum, then minus summation x. One thing, tell me everybody, e raised to x is an increasing function or decreasing function? It is not related to this question, just a normal simple question. E raised to x is a
Increasing.
okay increasing
The
question.
increasing function.
So from there I am deriving that if e raised to x was increasing function, then this will take maximum value when this will take maximum value. Okay. Now you know, as it is minus here, okay, minus is the in, so this should be a minimum value. Like let me explain it properly. L equal to exponential minus summation xi minus theta. This is max when minus summation xi minus theta is max. Now same thing, this is max when summation xi minus theta is minimum. Now you know we have to talk about theta. When this will be minimum, when theta will be maximum. Okay. And tell me one thing, when theta will be maximum? We know that ki theta is lying from where to where? We know that ki x is lying from theta to infinity. So theta x1, x2, xn. x1, x2, xn are order statistics. So maximum value of theta is x1. So therefore, in this case, x1 will be the MLE. Now, you know, I will tell you one alternate method, you know, so that by merely looking at the question, you will be able to solve it. Whenever this type of question is coming, theta, x1, xn, ऐसे theta, okay, infinity, then you the nearest value to theta will be MLE. You can check it, you know, in like after solving also, because what is MLE? MLE is maximum likelihood estimate, and you know what will be maximum likelihood estimate in this case? It is depending on the minimum xi, like you know, this is the nearest one, so this will be MLE. And if you want to have a logical explanation, you can do by that way, what I have done right now. Okay. Anybody have any doubt in this question? Let me give you one more question. Fx is equal to 1 theta minus half theta plus half. Okay. MLE of theta, same question as previous one. Anybody is able to solve it? Can we apply here L and log? We can differentiate log L with respect to theta and then put it equal to 0. By that method, we can solve it. Anybody, is it right?
Order statistics से सर हो जाएगा?
Okay, the same thing will be applied here also. Okay.
जी
so
sir.
now, yeah. So now, there you know, there was only x1 was nearer to, now you know, now it is in such a way that theta minus half x1 xn theta plus half. Okay. So now this is also MLE or this is also MLE. So I can say that x1 minus plus half theta greater than xn plus minus half. Okay. So from this, you know, we can see that theta MLE is not unique. We know that, you know, there are questions in ISS also ki MLE is unique or not. So we can see from here that MLE is not unique. Any value theta will lie from xn minus half to x1 plus half. This is the interval in which theta will lie. Yeah, Nikita is telling that jointly sufficient. Okay, you know, see here we are studying about MLE. We will study about sufficient afterwards. Okay. So what is MLE? MLE is any value that is lying between xn minus half to x1 plus half. Okay. It means that any value coming into that interval will be MLE. Now there is one question which you know regularly comes in JAM, you know, every examination, you know, till here everybody can do it. But the most important part that I'm going to ask is, now tell me one thing. If X belongs to A comma B, alpha X plus 1 minus alpha into, this is different thing, okay? Like it is not from question, it is just a common question. Alpha X plus 1 minus alpha X will lie from where to where?
0 to 1.
0 to 1 or A to B?
A to B.
A to B होगा. Sir, A to B होगा.
Okay. So now tell me one thing. You know, here alpha should lie between. Okay. This is one thing. Why? Because you know, see, suppose 1 by 3x plus 2 by 3x, and it will be x, so it will be A to B. Okay. So anybody is asking me. Okay, so A to B. Now we know that one thing, that theta here is lying between xn minus half, comma x1 plus half. Okay. Now tell me one thing. See, you know, anything lying between this thing will be MLE. So first question is that for y1, y1 is order statistics of order 1, 2yn, basically this, okay, 1 second. This both are MLE or not?
Sir, what is written in second option?
First option is 4x1 2 xn plus 1 upon 6, and second option is 3x1 plus 2 xn. Okay.
Second
Plus
option
one.
is right.
The
Second
second
option.
option will be.
Okay, second option will be right. First option is wrong. So why you are saying that ki first option, second option is right and first is wrong? Why, you know,
Sir,
like,
weighted mean.
okay, weighted mean. Okay, okay. So now just now I showed you convex combination thing. So I think, you know, you should be, see, you know, any if before any question I am writing any mathematical theory, you have to apply that to this. So, you know, from, see what I am doing now. 4 by 6 x1 plus 2 by 6 xn plus 1 is, if we can take we will, I will show you. So, you know, this question generally, you know, like this comes in every examination, like this can come anywhere. Okay. So what was that? 4 by 6. What was x1 now? So x1 minus half alpha. Alpha is lying, is it between 0 to 1? Plus 1 minus alpha, 2 by 6. xn minus half. Sorry, x1 plus half, this thing, plus xn minus half. So it will be 4x1 plus 4 plus 2xn minus 2 upon 6. So what is answer? Equal to this. Equal to this. So this will be 4x1 plus 2xn minus 2 upon, sorry, plus 2 upon 6. So first option is right or not? Basically, what is this? This is alpha x plus 1 minus alpha x, and this will lie to A comma B because x was already lying between A to B. Anybody understood this thing? Because, you know, see, this question repeatedly comes in JAM and GATE, and sometime it will come, you know, this year or next year it is going to come in ISS also. And in MLA, you know, this is one of the most important question. Anybody who's understanding it or not understanding?
सर मुझे एक ही बताओ, इसमें आपने नीचे 4x1 + 4 लिखा है, ये
हाँ.
इसको हाफ से मल्टीप्लाई करके लिखना है या मतलब आपने कुछ और चीज किया है यहाँ पर?
Okay, sorry. I have done my calculation mistake. I think. Okay, sorry.
ओके ओके,
Four-
मुझे वैसे
okay,
मतलब
sorry.
कंसेप्ट वही है सर.
Yeah. Sorry for mistake. Okay. So it will be 4/2. Okay, so it will be 2. And here it will be -2/2. So it will be -1, I think. So it will be +1. Is it right now? Yes, Soumya. So again, I am repeating it. Okay. See, Soumya, theta is lying between xn -half to x1 + half. Soumya, can you please unmute your audio?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So till here you understood? Like,
Yes, sir.
yeah, till here you understood. Now, we know that ki if x is lying between a to b, then alpha x + 1 - alpha into x will also lie between a to b. Is alpha is lying between 0 to 1. It is this you understood?
Yes, sir.
This is convex combination. It is simple thing. Okay. So what I am doing here is, in my question, it was written that ki something 4, something 4/6, something was written. So I took 4/6 x1 + half plus 4/6 is alpha. So remaining 2/6 will be, then again it will be xn -half. This will lie between where to where? This will lie between xn -half to x1 + half. Same thing I have repeated. Okay. Is it okay
Okay,
until
sir.
here? So
Yes,
now
sir.
just do mathematical calculation, and what you will get, whatever was there in option 1.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now second thing,
Okay.
what I have asked was, second option, everybody try on your own, and just tell me that whether, see, first option is MLE of this thing. Second option is MLE. It can be, it may or it may not be. So I want you all to do on your own. And in coming lectures, I will frequently give you this type of question to solve. Okay, and in next class we are going to discuss it. Okay. Now, fourth question. One more question is there. So I generally teach from Hagen-Krag, Kessler-Berger, whatever topic I find good from any of the books. So I'm not like making questions on my own and anything like that. You can also solve this thing on your own. And I always tell people that there is no need to join any of the coaching institute. If you are good in problem solving, and if you are not, then there might be need for that. And before joining any class in India, please take 1 or 2 demo class. It is the most important thing. And then fx is equal to 2x/θ². Okay. Now tell me somebody, x is lying from 0 to theta. Log L differentiation method will be applicable here or not?
No, sir.
Why no?
Because sir, x is depending on parameter.
Okay. X is depending on parameter, so it is not applicable. So tell me what will be MLE here?
xn.
xn.
Perfect. It will be xn. Why xn?
Because it is a maximum value of theta.
No, you have to tell me exact reason. Because it is nearest to theta, no? So yeah, see, sometime it is in previous question there might be question where x1 will be MLE. So how you are like, you will take every time a maximum of that thing. You have to take something which is nearest to theta. So in this case, it is xn. Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this will happen in this way. Now tell me one thing. xn is MLE of this thing. This is very important thing. So please, please focus, Now, we have to find something some C. Suppose theta is MLE. We have to find some C so that it will become unbiased estimator of this thing. How we are going to find? We know that one thing ki here theta is equal to xn. Now I want such parameter C such that this should be equal to theta. Anybody can explain me the process how to find it? Anybody in the class?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, how to find it? See, for that we have to find expectation of xn, and then we are going to do required calculation, on both sides. Okay. So, see, everybody know how to find order statistics and all. For minimum and maximum, we can do this thing. Key f of xn, SA x is equal to probability xn less than equal to x. This is one of the method. See, all of you know this formula, order statistic formula. F of x of r equal to n factorial, r minus 1 factorial, n minus r factorial, f of x r, fx raised to r minus 1 into 1 minus fx raised to n minus r. This I am going to teach you again. I have just, if you know, I have tried you to remind, memorize this formula. I will teach this in detail. But one thing, you should know how to find distribution function for minimum and maximum. So this is xn, maximum should be less than x. So if maximum is less than x, it means that all xi's are less than x. Anybody have doubt in this problem? Anybody have doubt in this step? See, if the maximum of xi's are less than x, so all xi's will be less than x. Okay. So pi I equal to 1 to n, probability xi less than equal to x. Anybody have doubt until here? Okay. So now how to find probability of xi less than x? Equal to product I equal to 1 to, why this is product? Because these are IIDs. So it will be from 0 to x to xi upon theta square dxi. Okay. We can write this. Yeah, please respond if you are not getting it. Please respond if you are understanding it. Tell me, like I'm asking something. So try to be, engaged in the class. Okay. Xi dxi. So what will be differentiation integration? Xi square upon 2 to theta square 0 to x. Okay. So it will get cancelled. 2 to get cancelled. So it will be x square upon theta square raised to n. Is it right? Anybody solving this this thing in your notebook?
Yes, sir.
So what will be f of xn x? X square upon theta square raised to n. Is it right? X raised to 2n upon theta raised to 2n. Is it right? Anybody? So what will be small f of xn x? Differentiate this with respect to x. Okay, you will get the answer. So now you all will be able to find expectation of x. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so please rejoin again, okay? Because 40 minutes is about to end. So please rejoin.